The storm is past, the sky is gray, but echoes of you still remain. The scent of love that used to stay now drifts like smoke across the pane. I've learned to breathe where you once were, to find my peace inside the blur, and walk through nights without your name. After the rain I start again, with fragile hope and softer hands. The scars you left have turned to light, they guide me through the endless night. I lost your love but found my soul, in every tear that made me whole. The pain has washed, but still I see there's beauty left in what used to be. Your ghost still hums a quiet tune in every sigh beneath the moon. But time has taught my heart to mend, to love the pain that never ends. The wind still whispers what we knew, but I've stopped chasing after you. The dawn feels warm without your flame. Washed, but still I see there's beauty left in what used to be. I'll keep your memory in the rain, a quiet peace, not bitter pain. If love returns, I'll let it grow, and thank the storm for letting go. After the rain I start again, no longer bound by what has been. Your shadow fades but still it stays, a gentle light in darker days. Though love has gone, I've come to see the truth it left inside of me. What once was pain now feels like grace. The healing pain, I still remember